Zimbabwe's Vice President Chiwenga is at the center of a fresh allegations of attempting to politically undermine his superior, President Emmerson Mnangagwa, in a botched internal ZANU-PF maneuver that he has drawn comparison of the infamous 2004 Tsholotsho Coup plot. Sanapinda mashoko kubuda panguva inoyi ayo achinzi Vipi Chiwenga was tricked into a fake Tsholotsho 2.0 Coup using Tagore agitation trap. Was subscribe or like on the bell. Speaking during a live discussion on ZVAITWA, former ZANU-PF functional and West chairperson Themba Mliso exposed what he described as a panic move by Chiwenga inside the ruling party's headquarters on 3 July 2025, triggered by agitation over controversial businessman Kudakwashi Tagure's possible promotion to the party's central committee. According to Mliso, the entire episode was not just an expression of dissent, but a miscalculated attempt to shift power balances using Tagore as a pawn in what could be likened to the EU-fated Tsholotsho Declaration coup attempt, which saw ambitious ZANU-PF officials trying to sideline the then President Robert Mugabe in 2004. KUTYA was used as a pawn to shake Chiwenga up, suggested Mliso. He was misled. Inside the 3 July drama, Mliso claims that Chiwenga caught in an agitation trap openly called for Tagore's ejection from ZANU-PF structures on Obed Mpofu's prompting. During a high-stakes session, a move not supported by the party's constitutional procedures, particularly the Central Committee, which is responsible for such decisions. KUTYA's issue was never tabled at the Central Committee. It was set up, Mliso explained. Chiwenga panicked and instead gained ground. He only ended up making KUTYA more popular, despite accusations against Tagore, which included the alleged embezzlement of public funds. The businessman remained visibly aligned with Mnangagwa and ZANU-PF. KUTYA is loyal to President, and he added, and power in ZANU-PF lies with the 10 chairpersons, all of whom are loyal to ED. By extension, they have no choice but to be loyal to KUTYA. The bottom line, if true, these latest developments signal not just deep fractures within ZANU-PF, but also the end of the once unshakable political partnership between Chiwenga and Mnangagwa, forged during the 2017 military-assisted transition that toppled Robert Mugabe. Thomas Kwarubuda Pangwa ine arikuta na Mliso atuze mafunguro enyu moti kudipa msoro pichitiko ichi. Apena comment section metu za mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.